Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a source code to image converter kind of a application in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are running this application locally, so it allows the user to actually take the screenshot of their source code if they're applying for a blog. So this is the application. Here you can specify the language and select the font, color, theme. You can control the size as well, and then you can change the color combination, and then here the user will paste the source code, whatever source code that they want to take the screenshot, and refresh preview. And then we have the button to export this screenshot as a PNG image file. So as soon as the user click the button, it will take the screenshot and save it as a PNG image file. So if you're interested in purchasing the source code of this, the link is given in the description. So I written this project from scratch. It's a single index.html file, which you can directly run this with the open with live server. You can easily deploy this as well. So the application runs locally right here. So right here you have all the languages. You specify the language, whatever language you want to take the screenshot. So as you can see that, so here you can specify as much source code as you want to. So right here inside it, you paste it, click refresh preview, and it will actually generate the screenshot for you. So it totally depends upon how much source code you want to write. So right here you specify whatever language. It can be Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, C++, and then you specify the background color, whatever color combination, the font size, everything you can control, padding. So here also you can specify whatever gradient you want to use, and you simply export the screenshot and then it will save it as a PNG image file. So it's a very useful application. It will save you a lot of time. You can easily deploy this application as well. So once you get the source code, you can easily customize this as well. So I developed this inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is a single file where all the code is present. It's almost 549 lines of code. So it's easily customizable. You can add additional features as well. So it's completely responsive as well. So as you can see, it works in all the devices. So the user will specify the language. You can specify any sort of font as well. Everything you can customize, the color combination, everything. So it's easy for you to deploy this application as well with any shared hosting. It's just a single static application. It doesn't involve any backend, so all the processing directly happens in the browser. As you click the export button, the image will be taken automatically. So if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description. You can purchase the source code